Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and watch your profit soar. Whether you are clearing out your garage or launching your a side hustle. So hey guys and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into facebook.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So you can just log in if you already have an account, and also you can sign up if you get started to, to sell products in a new account. And also you can download the application which is called Facebook and you sign up and then you get started. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we will dive into the ultimate tips for creating a kitchen listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics, we will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So the first things that you have to do is click over here, then you scroll down and you select Marketplace. So this is the home page as you can see. We have here various things. For example, we have both all here, notifications, inbox, buy-in, selling. Then if you want to create your first product, then we have location here, categories also or niches. You can select the one you want. For example, here we have vehicles. You select also the one you want, for example, boats, cars, motorcycle. I will select two cars, and then you select how is it and how you can go, for example, the minimum price, the max price, the sort by which price lowest first, highest first, and this is how it works. So to create your first product, you have just to click over create new listing. Then you'll find this page. We have item for sale. Create a single listing for one or more items to sell. You have vehicle for sale, sell a caravan or other type of vehicle. Then we have property for sale or rent. List a house or flat for sale or rent. You will click over the first one. Then you will find this page. So we have here your listing preview. As you create your listing, you can preview how it will appear to others on Marketplace. Then we have also here add photo. I will add this one and this one. So I will add these three. Then I will click over open. So the max photo that we have to add is 10. So this is how it looks. So if you scroll down, we have here required also. We are as descriptive as possible. Here the title, basketball shoes. Then we have the price, $50. Then we have category here. It is antiques and collectibles, arts and crafts, vehicle parts and accessories, baby products, bags and luggage, books, films and music, mobile phones and accessories, clothing, shoes and accessories, electronics, furniture, health and beauty, home and kitchen, jewelry and watches, muslins also, musical instruments, office supplies, patio and garden, pet supplies, sporting goods, tools and home improvement, toys and games, video games and consoles. So I'll select this one, clothing, shoes and accessories. We have here baby clothing, children's clothing and shoes means accessories means clothing, means shoes, women's accessories means clothing, women's shoes. So I will select this one or this one because this shoes is for the both man and woman. Then I will select here if it's pots, sandals, slippers, athletic shoes, casual shoes. So I'll select this one. Then I will select the condition if is it new or used, like new, used good, used and fair. I will select this one. Then we have here men's shoe size, for example. I will select 6 here. The brand also, Nike. Then we have activity, we have aerobic, athleisure, dance, hiking, pilates, running, spirits and surfing, walking, volleyball training, yoga, trail running, and I will select basketball, of course. Then we have the color here. I will click right, red and black. In description also, new shoes basketball, Kyrie Irving, Infinity. Then you have your list a single item. If you are selling one item, show only one on your listing. List as it is in stock. If you are selling more than one item, show in stock on your listing. I will select this one because I have 2 products here. Then you have product tags. Then you have SKU here, and also location. And we have here Meetup preferences. Buyers will be able to see your preferences on your listing. Public meetup, we have door pickup, door drop off. Also, we have post listing after it's been published. Add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. And then we have hide from friends. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. Then we have your marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed on marketplace. See our. So we click over next. So, selling on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces, which tools to create a plan listing and options for sharing within local groups. Sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So this is how it works with say on Facebook Marketplace. You can just get started as soon as possible and you start earning money with that. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.